Welcome back in MBJ classes, Physics English. Today's topic is electrostatics, quantization of charge, class 12 physics. The quantization of charge. Okay. Quantization of charge. In today's class, if possible, we solve some questions, but first understand the concept of quantization of charge. The quantization of charge says that experimentally, basically, it is established that all free charges are integral multiple of the basic unit. That is, the quantization of charge is said as n, a, where n is an integer. It says that all the charge particle is integral multiple of the basic unit e. So, all the charge particle, we can say that all the charge particle is the integral unit of, we can say this basic charge unit E. Okay, basic charge unit E. And the value of E, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, sometimes the overall value we can say this 1.60219 in 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but that was okay because rather than using these long type of the values. Okay, the coulomb. Okay, so basically the charge is the base unit, fundamental unit, but the coulomb of charge is the SI unit. Okay, the SI unit become, so SI unit of this become the SI unit of charge, that is coulomb. That was also known the Coulomb law in the next topic. Okay, some interesting fact, like the E is the basic unit, like for proton it is positive E, and for electron it is negative, because by the default the electron should be the negative, and that's why we use this. And the fact, like, so the charge can't be fraction. Okay, like I've said, like you can say that like for example, if I give you some charge, so I gave you 1 E, I gave you 2 E, okay, but these are some valid. But if I say that, sir, I want to 2.5 E because my I need only the 2.5 E, so we can say that, oops, sorry, that was not possible. So fraction are not allowed, but the integral is also allowed. Okay, the charge is only in the packet of bunches basically. And if I say some questions which was the important rule, okay, so I write this question. Okay, these are two questions which I write. Let's solve it. First question says this: a body has charge, basically that how many elementary charge it contains. By the formula Q is equal to Ne, the charge has a body is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus of 19, and we want how many elementary charge. This is the number of charge, and something that is the N is from minus infinity to infinity, but is integer. Okay, like minus 3 minus 2 minus of 1 0 and 1 2. Okay, that was this. Okay, so and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Solving, we get 9 to the power cancel, and 1 6 2 the 2, so N is become 2, the overall 2 elementary charge. Okay, the second question is calculate the number of electrons removed from a body to produce a charge, that is. Okay, so we want the number of electron which removed when a body is produce a charge, so we have the total charge, the charge basically, which one is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and want to calculate the number of electron removed. Okay, the number of electron removed. Okay, basically the n by the using of the quantization any, it is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus of 19 coulomb, and I have then n and e to the power is 1.6 and 10 to the power minus of 19 coulomb. By solving this we get n is equal to 4. Basically 4 electron are removed. Okay, 4 electrons are removed when a body is produced to charge 4.8. okay, these are the concept of the quantization of charge. I hope you understand. In next class we will move to the Coulomb law, which is very important, and if possible do some questions on this topic. Okay, bye bye.